Good afternoon, everyone. Konnichiwa. Vicky speaking. I hope you all had a nice weekend. Alright, today we learn lesson 8, transportation. I will try to read as slow as possible so you can repeat after me if you want. Alright, 始めましょう. Bus, bus, bus. Car, 車, 車. Taxi, タクシー, タクシー. Bicycle, 自転車, 自転車. Train, 電車, 電車. Cable car, ケーブルカー, ケーブルカー. Boat, 船, 船. Subway, 地下鉄, 地下鉄. Skytrain, sky train, sky train. Bullet train, 新幹線, 新幹線. Alright, so this is today's lesson about transportation. Alright, so I have these 10 basic lessons actually made for children. So today is the lesson 8. Alright, there are 2 more lessons left. And I have also started new lesson for Tango and Ku. And during the video, there will be vocabularies and the sentences and some grammar. So if you're interested, please subscribe and then you can watch when you are free. All right. Okay. I hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching. またね. Bye bye.